Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your touchpad is not working, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to update the driver. So we'll go to device manager and then we will look for human interface devices. Now, if for some reason you cannot see the touchpad driver, go to view and then go to show hidden devices and you'll find the touchpad device. So you can click on this. If you're not able to see the touchpad device, then go to this I2C HID device. That is also the touchpad device. You can go to update driver and then you can click on browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the drivers and you can click on this I2C HID device, click on next and then it should have updated your drivers. If not, and if you see this, you can also update this driver, search automatically for drivers and it should update. Now the next thing, if it doesn't work, if the touchpad is still not working after this, is we need to go to system restore. For that we will look for recovery here and then we'll click on open system restore and we can either use the recommended restore or we can choose a different restore point which we have created or the system has created and click on it, click on next and click on finish. Now that should be able to solve this issue. If not, then we need to check whether the touchpad option is left on when the mouse is also connected. So it could be that the mouse is connected and that option is enabled and so the touchpad is not working. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings. Here we will search for touchpad settings and then here we'll drop down on this and we will make sure the touchpad is on here and we will enable this leave touchpad on when the mouse is connected. So once we do that, it should start working. But if it is not, then the only option you have is to reset the windows. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings and then we'll go to system. We can go to recovery and then we click on reset PC. All right. And then we click on remove everything. Now if you are able to back up your personal data, I would suggest you to remove everything to get a clean installation of Windows. But if you can't, then you can click on keep my files, but I would prefer remove everything after backing up my personal data. And then I will click on cloud download. Now if you are not able to connect to the internet or if you have issues with your internet connectivity, go for the local reinstall. But I would prefer a cloud download. But for cloud download, you need to be connected to the internet and it should be connected till the system is reset again. So click on cloud download, click on next. And then we need to, like I said, unable to connect to the server. So I will go for the local reinstall. So once you do this, click on reset and then it should reset again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.